Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel's first video. Today, we are going to show you some of the top back-to-school items that every student must have for the coming term. Let's not make this longer for you and head for the items right away. Enjoy! Let us start our list with item number 10. East Hill Big Capacity Pencil Case. Some children prefer to have constant access to all of their supplies. Thankfully, this East Hill large pencil bag can fit everything they need, including their rainbow collection of ink pens and sticky note pads. It's large enough to hold their supplies while remaining small enough to fit in their backpack or desk. Moving to item number 9. Erasable highlighters. While highlighting is a vital aspect of note-taking, selecting the incorrect section to highlight can be fatal. Crayola's erasable highlighters, thankfully, made it a thing of the past. On one end, there's a clear eraser tip, and on the other, there are 6 vibrant colors. If you accidentally highlight the incorrect text, simply erase it and proceed. Moving to item number 8. Whiteout correction tape. We've all made errors, especially when we were younger. When it comes to correcting permanent paper errors, this set of whiteout is a student's best friend. The twist-top design prevents your child's correction tape from drying out or becoming tangled in the combat zone that is their school locker. Moving to item number 7. Erasable gel pens. Life is full of mistakes, but it doesn't have to be the same ones every time. These erasable gel pens will inspire your child to take detailed notes in class and while studying without fear of scratching out mistakes. Moving to item number 6. All-in-one tracker and planner. Your child can keep track of their busy schedule with this 2-in-1 planner and journal. The planner includes monthly and weekly calendars, as well as weekly notebook prompts to help them keep track of their long list of to-dos. Moving to item number 5. Einstein Inspirational Pencils. Everyone needs a little bit of guidance every now and then. The motivational messages on these vivid blue pencils are fantastic. Your child will also welcome the boost in self-assurance. Moving to item number 4. Stainless steel water bottle. It's hard enough to encourage your kids to drink enough water during the day, but these stylish swell stainless steel water bottles elevate hydration to new heights. The double wall insulation keeps drinks freezing cold and keeps the bottle free of condensation. All of this implies that no more notebooks will be thrown away. Moving to item number 3. Stainless steel water bottle. With old school sticky notes, you can never go wrong. Use them to write your to-do list or as homemade bookmarks. This set of 6 pads will last them the entire semester.
Now for item number 2. Portable charger. Calling your child's phone and hearing it go straight to voicemail because it's dead is a nerve-wracking experience. With this compact portable charger, you won't have to worry about headaches or worries. The Anchor portable charger gives a full charge to your child's phone thanks to its high-speed charging feature. And finally, on the top of the list is item number 1. Disposable face masks. Unfortunately, masks will continue to be the standard for the foreseeable future. With galaxy-themed patterns and a size that fits children's faces, these 3-ply masks are at least amusing. I hope that you have enjoyed our video. We would love to know what do you think of our content, so make sure you write for us in the comments down below. Also, let us know what topics would you like to see on our channel. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.